How people make money with crypto. A young college dropout becomes a millionaire in months, all thanks to cryptocurrency. Tempting, right? But for every success story, there's a cautionary tale of someone who lost their life savings in a bad trade. Welcome to the world of crypto, a digital Wild West where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. Let's dive into how people make money with crypto and the risks that come with it. Trading, the art of speculation. Trading is perhaps the most well-known way to profit from cryptocurrency. It involves buying low and selling high, much like the stock market. Traders analyze price charts, market trends, and news to predict price movements. There are two main types of trading. Day trading involves frequent buying and selling within a single day, capitalizing on small price changes. Swing trading focuses on larger price shifts over days or weeks. While trading can yield significant profits, it's also notoriously risky. Cryptos are highly volatile, and a bad call can lead to substantial losses. Long-term investment, HODLing. For those who prefer a less frenetic approach, there's HODLing, a term derived from a typo of hold that has become a rallying cry for crypto enthusiasts. HODLers buy cryptocurrency and hold on to it for the long haul, believing its value will increase over time. Bitcoin and Ethereum are popular choices for this strategy. Early adopters who bought Bitcoin for a few dollars and held on to it until it reached tens of thousands reaped massive rewards. However, this strategy requires patience and the ability to weather market dips without panic selling. Mining, digging for digital gold. Mining remains a foundational element of many blockchain ecosystems. Crypto mining involves using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles, which validates transactions and adds them to the blockchain. Miners are rewarded with newly minted coins. Initially, mining could be done on a personal computer, but today it requires specialized hardware and significant electricity. Despite these barriers, mining can still be profitable, especially for those with access to cheap energy. Staking and yield farming, earning passive income. Passive income through staking and yield farming is gaining popularity among crypto enthusiasts. Staking allows crypto holders to earn rewards by locking their assets in a blockchain network. It's akin to earning interest in a savings account, but typically with higher returns. Yield farming takes this a step further. By lending or staking assets in decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, users can earn additional tokens. However, yield farming can be complex and comes with risks like smart contract vulnerabilities. Creating and selling NFTs. NFTs have revolutionized how creators monetize digital art and content. The rise of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, has opened another avenue for making money. Artists, musicians, and even meme creators can mint their work as NFTs and sell them on marketplaces like OpenSea. Some NFTs have sold for millions, but the market is highly speculative. Building crypto projects or working in the industry. Opportunities abound for those willing to work in or create within the crypto space. For tech-savvy individuals, creating blockchain projects or working in the crypto industry can be lucrative. Roles range from developers and marketers to community managers and consultants. Startups often pay in crypto, which can appreciate over time, multiplying the value of one's compensation. The risks. Not all that glitters is gold. Despite its opportunities, crypto is fraught with risks. Scams, hacks, and market crashes are common. Moreover, the lack of regulation means there's little recourse if something goes wrong. Success in crypto requires thorough research, a clear strategy, and the willingness to lose what you invest. Conclusion: balancing risk and reward. Cryptocurrency offers countless ways to make money, but it's not a guaranteed path to riches. Like any financial venture, it demands knowledge, discipline, and a healthy dose of caution. Whether you're a trader, investor, miner, or creator, the key to success lies in understanding the risks and navigating the volatile landscape wisely. The choice is yours, but success demands knowledge and preparation. Are there specific risks, such as market volatility, scams, or regulatory issues, you'd like to understand better? We'd love to hear your insights and any experiences that have shaped your views. Please leave your thoughts below.